Hello friends, today we will see how to implement 4 basic arithmetic operators in SQL command line Oracle 10G database software. So let us start. Click on start, then right click on run SQL command line, then click on run as administrator, click on yes, then Oracle 10G SQL command line window will appear. So then after we will provide connectivity with SQL command line. So use connect command, connect, then provide username as system, password as system. So we can see that we are successfully connected with SQL command line. Then we will check whether employee table is already there or not, right? So for that use describe command, describe emp. Okay, we can see that we have already employee table available, so we need not to create our employee table. So let us see which records are there in our employee table. So for that use select query, select star from emp. We can see that we have 3 records already available. Let us insert one record. Insert into employee values. Okay, so employee number 4, employee name Ramesh, employee designation team leader, employee salary, for example 65,000. Okay, so select star from our employee. We have 4 records. Now let us implement 4 basic operators. So we are going to use 4 basic operators. These are number 1 arithmetic plus operator, number 2 arithmetic minus operator, number 3 arithmetic multiplication operator, so multiplication operator, and number 4 division operator. Number 4 is division operator. Okay, so let us implement these operators. First of all, we will implement incremental operator. For example, we want to increment all the employees' salary by 5,000. So we need to fire DML command, update query for that. So fire the query like this. So we are using update query with arithmetic operator plus. So update employee table set employee salary is equals to existing employee salary increment by 5,000. So 5,000. So we can see that we have successfully updated 4 records. Now let us fire select query to see whether all the employee salary has been incremented by 5,000 or not. So you can see that employee number 1 previous salary was 45,000, now it is 50,000. Same way employee number 2, 3, 4 salaries are incremented by 5,000. Now let us see whether we can perform this arithmetic operation on selected record or not. So for that we need to fire update query like this. Update employee set employee salary is equals to existing employee salary plus 5,000. For example, I want to increment developer salary by 5,000. So I need to provide where clause where employee number is equals to 3. So I can update the query and use arithmetic plus operator by this way also. So we can see that our employee number 3 salary is incremented by 5,000. Previously it was 45,000, now it is 50,000. Now we will see arithmetic minus operator. For example, I want to decrease the salary of developer or let us say tester by 5,000. Okay, so I am decreasing the salary of tester by 5,000. So for that fire update query like this. Update employee set employee salary equals to existing employee salary minus 5,000 where tester, employee designation equals to tester, I can fire the query from employee designation as well or employee number as well, because single employee is having designation tester, so only one record will affect. If multiple employees are having designation tester, and if you want to reduce the salary of particular employee, then you should apply this query only on primary key column, that is employee number. But in this case I can use employee designation as well. So employee designation is tester. So you can see one record has been updated. So now employee salary, tester salary is 35,000. So this way I can implement my arithmetic minus operator on SQL command line. Now I want to use multiplication operator. For example, I want to double the salary of employee 2. For that you can fire the query like this. Okay, what you need to do, update employee, set employee salary equals to existing employee salary multiply by 2, where employee number is equals to 2. So I can see that now employee number 2 is having salary double, that is 70,000. So I can use multiplication operators like this. Now last, division operator. For example, I want to divide the salary of employee number 3 by 2. So for that we need to use update query and fire division operator like this. Update employee, set employee salary, set employee salary is equals to employee salary divided by 2, where employee number is equals to 2. I can use employee name for filtration, I can use employee designation for filtration, because we have designation and name, only single records are there. If duplication of employee name and designation are there, then I need to use only primary key column. Okay. So you can see that employee number 2 salary is updated, and let us fire select star from employee. We can see that salary of employee number 2 is now half. So by this way you can implement arithmetic operators in SQL command line, Oracle 10G database. Now let us use our last command to exit from SQL command line, that is exit semicolon enter. If you like this video, then subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you for watching.